Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Gwen here with Teacher Tip Tuesday. The tip for this week is about autism awareness because April is Autism Awareness Month. So these tips are for parents, teachers, educators, caretakers who work with students who are neurodivergent. Here are a few tips to help. Number one, structure and routine is extremely important for these students. So if you have visual schedules, if you use different types of music or noise or like bells, other things to help them when they transition, tying activities to something else helps them remember the routine of the day. If we have breaks in our routine or our structure, then it's important to prepare students early and to keep reminding them about the change that we're going to have and what to expect so that you reduce their anxiety and stress about the change in the routine. Number two, be very clear, consistent, and concise when you are communicating with them. When we talk too much, it causes them more stress and anxiety. Sometimes I hear students always say, like, she was just talking too much. And especially when they start to elevate and escalate, the fewer words that we use, remaining calm, and like I said, being very consistent, using as few words as possible to get them to comply or do the things that you need them to do to keep themselves safe and to keep progressing. So clear, consistent, concise communication. Number three, celebrate their strengths and their interests. Sometimes they have very specific interests in different things. So if we can find ways to incorporate what their interests are and to celebrate that into new learning and to getting them to try new things, the better it is. So oftentimes we want to take them completely away from those things, and that's not always the best. It's use it to your advantage by incorporating that. So if you're trying to get them to read, have them read about a topic that they're already interested in, or sometimes finding a way to pull that into whatever new learning you're doing. Number four, if you can find or create a sensory friendly area. I know a lot of classrooms have calm down areas that have sensory things in it, and find what sensory items that students actually like, because some students like the different smells, some people like the feels, some people like the taste or the sound of different things. So find out what type of sensory materials they are more likely to engage with, and then it may be having a variety, because today they may like one thing, but tomorrow it may be something else, even if they primarily go to a particular type of sensory item or material. And finally, please practice patience so that we help to empower these students. They feed off of us, so sometimes when we show our frustration, it frustrates them further. So sometimes we have to model just stopping, taking a deep breath. Maybe we need to go to our own calm down corner and use some sensory materials to regulate our own emotions so we can use those as growth opportunities. I hope this was helpful. Remember, self-care matters.